Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Mancave 21. I'm your host, Kid. What's in the cave today? Lights up, we've got... Hold up, G! Ni ke Ferrari aku kata tu? Lah, okay tak apa. Let's see what's so special about this Ferrari, gang. Okay, this is the Ferrari Sf90 Remote Control Edition, which is actually a collaboration between Shell and Ferrari. Check out the license, guys. Don't play, man. And to be honest, this is actually the first time I'm seeing a remote control car for an F1 car. Cool way. Okay guys, so right now I'm gonna be unboxing the Ferrari Sf90 limited edition. So first impression of the box, it looks pretty premium, not gonna lie. But let's see what's inside. Oh, ASMR sikit Oh, sheesh! Look at this, gang! It looks like I have a real Ferrari on the table! Pretty sick, yo. Look at the details and shape of the car, guys. Original design by F1 GP. It looks amazing. Just look at the details and the body of the car. The curve of the muscles, it's popping out. When you grab your hands on these, auto Schumacher way. But I wonder though, how is it possible for them to build something so tiny? I mean, look at it. It's the size of my hands, guys. Mesti korang wonder, kereta kecil ni guna bateri jenis apa? Hey, come on lah. This is Shell Motorsport Collection, bro. They have the all-new smart Bluetooth battery from Shell. So sekarang ni korang perlu charge je bateri korang and tak payah pergi 7-Eleven beli bateri everyday korang. Ever ready. Let's unbox the battery, guys. So check it out. Again, the packaging looks sick, very cool. Let's see what's inside. Okay, there is a user manual for your instruction. Kalau kau nak baca, boleh baca. Lepas tu, the box. Okay. And most important part is the battery. Logo Shell way dekat bateri dia. Power tak power. So this is what's used inside the car to recharge and bring out the race alive. Now I'm going to show you guys how to switch on the beast. First of all, you got to remove the cover from the back of the car, I mean the bottom. Next, you got to insert your new battery from Shell. Smart battery Bluetooth, right? So it's pretty simple. Just put it inside. Yep, and you're done. Next, you got to switch on the switch here. So when you switch on the switch, you can see that there is a green light which signals the car is ready for race. Let's try testing out this baby with some remote control car. So, rechargeable Bluetooth, not this one, not this one. Oh yeah, you gotta use your mobile phone. Check it out. Pretty cool, right? Yo, what's up, gang? For every 50k subscribers, there's gonna be one lucky winner to win something from Mancave 21. Korang nak tahu apa? Korang kena tengok ni.
Look, tell me what's the vibes, what's the mood? Yeah, I just hit up Mikey for the juice. Yeah, ain't no capping, I'ma tell the truth. I've been winning for so long, it's hard to lose.
Korang berpeluang rap kereta korang dalam Mancave 21 secara percuma, bro.
Yeah, I've been quiet all along on my TP toes. Yeah, I can't keep it.
It's easy, bro. All you have to do is just like, comment, share, subscribe, and watch all the episodes from Mancave 21. Lights up! Hey, what's up, my G?
What's up, kid?
Yeah, straight fundamental, that's fundamental on instrumentals.
Okay, gang, let's check out the control panel for the F1 Racing Sf90. First of all, let's look at the settings. In the settings, you can actually choose 3 types of control: arrows, motion, steering wheel. But for the sake of this review, we're going to go with arrow. As for the sound, there's a bunch of sounds that you can actually unlock. But for this review, we're going to go with the BMW M4 Motorsport. Next, you can see the battery lifespan of the car, as well as a few tricks above. And on the bottom side, you can actually see the controls for the left and right. Pretty sick. Next, in the middle part, you have the turbo mode. So for the turbo mode, I'm going to save it for the last part. So next is the horn. I never knew that F1 horn sounded like this. It's like you're calling for Baba Roti or what? Okay. Oh, cool. So next one, we have the lights. Mana lampu dia? Lah, scam ah. Tak apa. Now let's look for the best part, which is hitting the pedal. Oh, cool, right? One more time. Okay, let's try with the turbo mode. Turbo mode enable. Woo! Listen to that, boy! Oh my god, this is so amazing, man. Let's try what happens if I click on the tricks. Oh! Look at the steering wheel. It's actually drifting right now. Oh my god. But the best part of this control panel that you can see the ambience, the background. It looks like you're ready to race and also with the Shell logo. Pretty awesome. Okay gang, so sekarang ni aku nak try aku punya Schumacher sikit. Jom kita run it kat track. Oh my god, it's so awesome! And now, let's try the drift function. Oh my god, wheelies! Holy shit! So cool guys, so cool. Okay gang, so sekarang ni kita nak test how fast kereta ni boleh lalu the finishing line. In 3, 2, 1. Wow! Okay, how fast was that? Okay, sekarang ni korang boleh nampak how fast the kereta boleh sampai. I think it's about 3 seconds. Pretty fast for a small tiny car, don't you think? Mesti ramai tertanya-tanya, okay, macam mana nak dapat Sf90 Ferrari ni? Simple je gang. All you have to do is go to Shell mana-mana yang terdekat dengan rumah korang and beli minyak hitam ni. Once korang dah beli minyak hitam ni, you are entitled to win this Sf90 car. Or not actually win, but get this car. But remember, dia ada 10 unit saja dekat setiap Shell. So basically, first come first serve lah. You know Malaysia mah. And yeah, what are you waiting for gang? Grab your dream car right now. Lupa nak buat closing. Okay gang, that's all for today's episode for the Sf90 Ferrari. What do you guys think? Is it a yay or a nay? Comment down below gang. I'm gonna take this beast on the track right now. Ciao.
Kid,
Yo,
lagi mana?
di Sepang lah nak race. Jom lah.